so I developed a new habit during MCO, which is having my coffee at the balcony while drawing. So the patterns or the prints that you see on the collection is basically inspired by a feeling of calmness, the beauty of silentness during that time. The collection is basically to celebrate all types of women in Malaysia. So as usual, when I do a collection, I need to have an idea of what this woman is all about. So it comprises of all types of life, from career woman to housewife. With that, practicality is very important and the freedom of movement. My most favorite piece is the one I'm wearing now. Number one, because I can wear it. Second is the versatility of this piece, because I could dress it up, I can dress it down, I can wear it with a blazer, or someone out there, you could pair it with skirt and heels. So another favorite piece is the impact that I saw visually with the beige and black, because I've never worked with those kind of colors. So the other one will be anything in the beige and black range. So these two will be my favorite piece to see. This collection covers all types of women, so I think it's something special for people out there to promote positivity, to feel important in life. This is a collection for you, and with every collection I always want to maintain comfort. So yeah. To viewers out there, thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see you all in the latest pieces of this new collaboration.